Hi, I've seen many companies, small and large, struggle with their sales process and manage the entire process in Excel sheets. Today, I wanted to show that there are many free CRMs out there which satisfy very good basic minimum features. And today's topic is about HubSpot CRM and the 5 important features that it has. Hopefully, this helps you. My name is Sanju. I'm the founder of 7 Targets. What essentially 7 Targets does is it helps to convert cold leads into warm and hot by doing regular lead nurturing. Let's jump into the HubSpot CRM features. The 5 main features. One of the most important features is how can I add contacts very easily. Adding contacts easily inside a CRM is a basic necessity for every software, for every company. HubSpot does a tremendous job of contact management. It's a very easy to use import-export functionality, and the integration with your emails, specifically Gmail or Outlook, it is like phenomenal. As you just type your normal emails, you can just check box and it automatically adds contacts into the CRM. So that's one important piece that HubSpot has. The second most important activity is the tasks. Now that you have contacts, you want to work on it, and it should be easy to manage the day-to-day tasks to make sure that we make progress with the deal and qualify the particular contact. So that's a feature that is really nice in HubSpot. Deals is the third important feature that is required, and you need to have the ability to see the deal in phases. Let's say first phase is setting up a meeting with that particular contact, and then second is doing a demo with that contact. The third is, let's say you're into a negotiation phase, or you have sent a quotation or a proposal, right? So an easy way to see the deal stages is something that is really important for any CRM, and HubSpot Free CRM does a beautiful job at it. Fourth important feature is figuring out who are your target audiences, right? So you don't want to target the wrong audience and waste a lot of cycles with them. Now, figuring that out can be a very tedious activity. For example, let's say you're looking at companies who have minimum 50 people, for example, and then let's say $2 million revenue to let's say $1 billion revenue. If that's the target audience, now, and let's say you have a list of, let's say, a few hundred companies. How are you going to pick and choose and figure out who are these, what is the employee size and what is the revenue of each of them? So here HubSpot again does a fantastic, phenomenal job where you can add all these email addresses, do a quick filter. It will automatically find this information, and that really helps you to create simple queries. And with those queries, you are able to now get to your target focused personas that you want to focus on. Now the final thing is about converting that lead, making him into a customer, and that requires lead nurturing, and good quality lead nurturing requires good data, fact-based data. So there you need to have the ability to see the engagement between the contact and how he's engaging with your website. So which pages is he visiting on your website? Which documents is he looking at? How many seconds is he looking at which page of your document? Let's say your brochure is, let's say, 20 pages. If number 3 page is he's spending, let's say, 60 seconds on that number 3 page, maybe he loves that feature, whatever you have on that number 3 page. And this is called engagement, converting him in from cold into a warm or a hot lead. And this is something that HubSpot provides. So these are the 5 important things I look for. Good quality contact management, easy to use tasks, and then easy to segregate and see the deal stages and how many dollars are stuck inside each stage, so that it's easier for us to prioritize and see the bottlenecks as well. Then the fourth one is targeting the right companies, of course. So all the time that you don't want to waste a lot of time in figuring that out. So that's the fourth part. Last is most important is engagement. After all this data, you have to convert the leads, and that's where HubSpot CRM really shines. That was a quick video. Hopefully that helps. If you need any specific information, more information about any of these bullets, just write down in the comments, and maybe I can create one more video for you. As a bonus, I would like to also tell you to read one book. It's called Sell More Faster. It's a very good book, helps you to identify your ideal customer profile. It's the ultimate sales playbook I have seen. It's from Techstars from Austin. So that's it. So happy selling, happy lead nurturing. Thanks. Have a great day.